Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I'm not in my messy garage. I'm at a car show. It's going to be part 17, Friday, July 12th. I'm going to walk around the car show and show a few of the cars and show this car. The body work is done on it. I still have a lot of things to do, such as the interior seats. I want to put disc brakes on it and do other things. But it all came out real good. I'm happy with it. I'm going to do a quick walk around here. Got a lot of cars. This is every Friday night at Multi Lakes Conservation Club in Commerce, Michigan. They have car shows. And this week, this Camaro Club is meeting here, so there's going to be a lot of Camaros. Take a quick stroll over this way. Another Mustang over here. That might be a 64 and a half. Do better when I see the front. I'll give you a quick lesson on how to tell 64 and a half from a 65 or 6. It's this right here. There's a downstanding flange on the hood that's only there on a 64 and a half. And a lot of beautiful cars here. 64 Chevelle just went by. I'm gonna excuse the shaky camera because I'm walking around. Still a lot of cars coming in. It's kind of early. Just give you a quick overview of some of the cars. Starting to come in a bunch of Camaros. Looks like a lot of Camaros are parking out in that area. Quite a few over here too. I just wanted to do a little walk around here at the car show. Coming up to my group of friends here, all sitting like in a kind of a circle. This is some of my friends' cars here. This black 69 Camaro and Oldsmobile Omega. Hardly ever see those anymore. The 70 RT Coronet, 69 Charger. And we got a 69 442. That's good, isn't it? I think a 69 Camaro pace car. Got my Mustang there. John's Buick Grand National. My friend Mike's 66 Corvette convertible. 65 Plymouth Now this car used to be a 4-door. He's got a whole picture thing on it. In fact, that when they were doing it, it was actually a 3-door one time, because they completed one side, changing it from 4-door to a 2-door. And they drove it like that for a while. I think they should have left it a 3-door. That would have been very interesting. But I hope you enjoyed this video series on fixing the smashed 66 Mustang. I think it came out great. I only had to paint the back part of the car. I did not paint the doors, fenders, the hood, just rubbed them out. Well, the paint matches great. And thank you for watching part 17. Bye.